You know what they say about chairs, we all sit in them, and I have sat in a lot of different chairs, especially at home, but today I'm introducing a new member to my little family of chairs. The Libernovo Omni Chair. It's green, it's soft, it's packed with feature, and it's electric. What the f? This video is sponsored by Libernovo. No drama here. Sponsored. This video is sponsored, not by me, but by Libernovo. Good? Good. Let's begin. So since I now do most of my work right here at my desk, sitting in this chair is not perfect. I mean, I sit 8+ hours a day right here doing uni work or making YouTube videos. I have a standing desk. I even bought a walking pad. Sorry, downstairs neighbor. But I haven't got a super duper ergonomic chair. Why? Because they're ugly. I don't want my living room to look like a public institution. But then I got an email from Libernovo, who asked me to take a look at their Mars Green Omni Chair. It's not ugly. So I responded and said yes, and now I'm dragging this box into my living room. Let's assemble. Inside this large box is a large guide, but I also found a video which feels safer.
Please put on the provided safety gloves.
Yeah, okay, gloves on. First step, wheels. You just push them into the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was easy. Then the gas lift goes in the middle and the seat frame just drops on top. Then there's this part called the internal linkage rod, which sounds like something from a car engine, but it's basically just one screw. Next, the seat slides into place here. And then you just secure it with a few screws, long ones on the sides, one short at the front. Armrest forward, screw in, done. Then there's some wiring underneath. You just connect it and twist to lock it in. And this knob here controls how stiff the recline is. Now for the backrest. You remove this little clip, slide the backrest into place and then lock again. And the bottom part gets secured with the piece you were definitely supposed to not lose earlier. Now for the neck rest. And finally there's a battery under the seat because, yeah, this chair is electric. Oh, and there's also the footrest, which you can pull out when you lean back. Very nice. Done. All assembled. That wasn't bad. Now, as I've said, the Omni Chair is packed with features, but let's start with the things that actually persuaded me to get it. The Mars Green color and fabric. It's really what stands out to me. My girlfriend and I both value clean and comfortable aesthetics in our living room. So again, an institution-esque chair simply wouldn't do. Style beats function in this regard. Yet, I'm happy to say that both my girlfriend and I really like how the chair fits in with the rest. And the fabric is really soft and comfortable to sit in for longer durations. I actually like it so much that I now roll it over in front of the TV when we binge watch Game of Thrones. My girlfriend hasn't seen it yet. Anyway, let's narrow in on some of the features, starting with the Bionic Flex Fit backrest. Yeah, the names are quite out there, shall we say. Nonetheless, being able to move around like this is so comfortable and it makes me feel like Shedinya, or whatever that Pokemon is called. You know, having an exoskeleton on your back. A lovely feature indeed. Another thing is that everything on the chair is kind of connected, so when you lean back or move around, the seat, armrest and neck rest all adjust with you instead of you having to constantly fix your position, all of these settings. Then there are the recline modes. You got 4 positions, 105 degrees, 120, 135 and all the way to 160 degrees. So you can go from working upright to basically lying down in the same chair. Like PewDiePie. Is that still a meme? I don't know. And when you lean back, you can pull out the footrests so your legs are actually supported instead of just hanging there, which makes a big difference once you're fully reclined, trust me. There's even a video guide to sit properly if you, like me, tend to sit slouched over like Gollum. You can also adjust the armrests and the neck rest individually, which is nice depending on how you're sitting or how your desk is set up. The armrests can be moved around quite a bit, so you can get them to line up properly with your desk instead of having your shoulders slightly raised all of the time. And the neck rest can be adjusted as well, so it actually supports your neck where you need it instead of just kind of sitting there doing nothing. Again, refer to the guide. Another feature the chair has is this stretch and massage function. Very nice. If you lean back and turn it on, the backrest slowly lifts your lower back and kind of stretches your spine a bit. It's not one of those aggressive massage chairs that feel like they're trying to fix your life. It's more of a slow, subtle movement. Gentle strokes. That was weird. But after sitting for a while, especially doing work or editing, it actually feels rather nice. Of course, you can also just use the buttons to adjust the lumbar support in a more static way. Now, for my thoughts after having used the Libernovo Omni Chair for a couple of weeks. I really like it. I mean, going from this chair to the Omni Chair is obviously a big improvement. But there are a few things that I don't like. For example, I don't love the logo on the chair. I prefer truly neutral furniture, but it's not eye-catching and it faces towards the desk anyway. And I guess the big one is the price. And overall, the chair is a luxury product and sometimes it's okay just to treat yourself. Furniture, accessories, doodads and all the things that you see in the "here's my super productive setup" on YouTube. Well, these things don't make you productive, I'm sorry to say. But what they do is making your working experience more enjoyable. Like my new 4K 120Hz monitor. Because I got that monitor, now all 60Hz monitors basically looks like slideshows, but it's so nice. Yeah, luxury product, get it if you like. Luxury products. It's not a productivity hack, it's comfort for your butt and eyes. So yeah, that's the Libernovo Omni Chair. If you spend a lot of time at your desk, it's a really nice upgrade in terms of comfort. Not a productivity hack, just makes sitting here a lot better. If you feel reclined, see what I did there? You can use my link in the description to get the chair. It's an affiliate link, which means I get a cut if you buy it. That means I get some money if you buy it. That should be clear now. Thanks again to Libernovo for sponsoring this video. And thank you for watching. And a special thanks to Justin, Cal, Ferraris, Jan, Lester and Dustin, as well as the other members of the channel. You too can become a member of the channel, if it's financially responsible of you. Right now there are 2 tiers with different perks, but in addition to these, all members are invited to join a VIP channel in the Discord. Oh, what? Right. This thing. I'm glad you asked. I'm currently doing a 48-hour experiment using only Anime Linux. If you want to see that, maybe stick around to the channel. Okay, bye!